Welcome everyone. How are you doing today? Hope everybody is doing great. It's on here. Welcome. Today is day 11 of 12 days of Christmas. What you say, guys? We almost there. So while you here, say hello to me. Let me know where you're viewing me from. My name is Veronica Anderson. I'm the owner of Wreaths by Veronica. Not only do I sell the wreaths I create, but I teach others like you to create your own masterpiece. And in this video today, we will be making a Christmas pillow. So this will be something that I'm going to use for myself, for my home, for me to decorate today. As you can see, I'm in my kitchen, and because I needed more room. That's so I can show you guys all the goodies. So we will be using HGT, heat transfer vinyl. And we will be making this right here. And it's glitter transfer. It's a Christmas trees form. I'm loving it. And it's in this red glitter here. I hope you guys can see it pretty good. Can you? So this is the vinyl that I use. This is Caesar's Glitter HTV, and it is 12 by 20 inch. So you can get this vinyl here, and I use a cutter. I have a Cricut Explorer, so if you have a Cricut Maker, Silhouette, Cameo, whatever cutter you have, you can do this project, guys. And we're going to use this pillow cover here and put the HGTV on now. I don't know why I keep saying HG. It's HTV, heat transfer vinyl. So this is it. So while you're here, please spread this video so everyone else can see this, because who knows, you might need to make a pillow for Christmas. So welcome everyone. Thank you guys for popping in. Thank you guys. I love you guys. This here, I purchased this from Hobby Lobby. You know, you can get these pillows from Hobby Lobby here. I mean, your craft stores, or you can buy it over the internet if you choose to. But this is a pillow cover. So, and it's an 18 by 18. Now, however, my pillow is not that large, so I'm going to stuff it with some foam to make it fit in, because I didn't want to go out and buy a pillow for this project. When I have one, I just have to stuff it. So what we're going to be doing today, I brought out the big board. I got this is my big board I use my transfer to do my vinyl projects, especially my heat transfer projects. I don't know why I'm stumbling so much. Please forgive me. So this one here, it's my heat press, and I have it set for 330, and it goes down to 327. So you can have it between 327 and 330 on your heat press machine. So we can do that as well. So what we do first, also have a pillow, heat transfer pillow, what I'm going to put inside the pillow to make it adhere more better on there. And you would need the transfer sheet too, right here, to put on there to cover the transfer. So if you're interested in learning, because I made these, if you're interested in learning how to make these heat transfer pillows, I have a video on my YouTube channel that shows you how to make these pillows right here, because a lot of time I have them in different sizes to show you how to make these. So these are easy peasy, fun to make. I love these. They come in handy. So the first thing we're going to do is, as you can see, you see that wreath back there? This is the first wreath that I created on that was the day 1 live of the 12 days of Christmas, and it sold that night. So I'm getting ready to ship that one out today. And all the other wreaths that I have created, they're going to go on out too. Thank you, Georgia. So these was covered up. If you hear my bells, that's because I have bells on. Christmas time, guys. I'll probably take them off so you guys can hear me well. I don't want to be jingling too much. So what you do first is you want to place whatever you're using, your t-shirt, whatever material that you're using, you want to get out the moisture. So you want to lay it down just like this. I'm going to make sure I don't have the zipper in there because I don't want to melt the zipper on that. So now I'm just going to place it on here just like this and get the heat out of it. I mean the moisture, sorry. He'll make the heat. So what I'm going to do is put this pillow in here to make sure I get all that moisture out of there. And you let it be in there for 2 to 3 seconds. You don't have to go all the way on this. Just 2 to 3 seconds to get that moisture out. So now that we have the moisture out of it, what we're going to do is do our transfer. And have already measured it. So what I love to do is do the center. Just make a little mark it right there in the center of it. And I'm gonna go down to 3, and I love this because it already have, you know, even though it's buffalo check, you could just count down to 3. 1, 2, and 3 right here, and then you could place that right there. So guys, this video probably won't be as long. I'm gonna make sure it's straight. I love the tassels on here, the black and white. And that red glitter gonna pops it out more. Just want to make sure it's straight. If it's not, it's mine. I'm okay with it. Now I'm going to just place the transfer vinyl on it. I already did that, and all I'm going to do is place the sheet on there, and I'm going to put it down there for 7 seconds. And then once I do it for 7 seconds, I take off the paper, the plastic that's on it. Just remove it ever so gently. So, and I normally press it again because I'll just want to make sure it's very adhesive to it, even though I know it is because it didn't lift up on it. So I'm just leaving it on there a few more seconds. So take that off. Take the pillow out. And this is what we have. I'm loving it. Now I'm going to put the pillow in. Lower the camera down so you can see. So these are the phones that I'm talking about. I have some phones here. And all I'm going to do is stuff it in here. Because this is a 18 by 18 pillow cover. And I don't have an 18 by 18. So what I'm going to do is just stuff it. Just something that you can do. If you don't have your exact size pillow, Just stuff some foam in it and it will work, because it's going to go to the side like you want it. You guys doing okay today? Well, good, Georgie. Glad you're making you some shirts. Make those shirts, baby. So when you're using the heat transfer binder, you have to reverse your image, and you can do that into your machine. You can push, click that button, and it'll reverse it for you. Sure that is straight. Now I'm gonna put this pillow in. So for this year, I'm gonna use this one. So next year, when they get on sale, because Joanne runs a sale on the pillows and the fabrics and stuff like that. Because normally I generally make my pillow covers, but I made this. I got this one, seen this one at Hobby Lobby. I said, I don't need to make it and buy fabric when I could just go ahead on and buy this and just stuff my pillow in there. Now all we're gonna do now is zip it up. And these are pretty cool when you do this, because if it get dirty, you can clean it. So if you guys are just not joining me, my name is Veronica Anderson. I'm the owner of Wreaths by Veronica. Not only do I sell the wreaths I create, but I teach others like you to create your own masterpiece. And today is day 11 of Christmas, 12 days of Christmas. There you got it. Have it, guys. Bring it up. Isn't it cute? I'm loving it. Cute pillow. Easy peasy. You can do it. The glitter brings it out more. Then with the check it on there, it looks great. So, and I normally push my pillows in like that. And I'm going to have it displayed in, because this is one of my decorative that I'm going to use in my home. One of my decors that I'm going to use in my home in the living room area. So I'm loving that. That's cute. Nice, 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 nice. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy peasy heat transfer vinyl tutorial, making your pillow. This is day 11 of 12 days of Christmas. So today I showed you how to make a pillow for Christmas. How cute is that? I am loving it. Okay, guys. Now, if you want to join me on Instagram, I am on Instagram. I am on on Instagram. I'm on Pinterest and YouTube channel. Go on YouTube so you can learn how to make those heat transfer pillows. If you desire to learn how to make those, you can do that. And also you can subscribe to my channel, so we can do that as well. So we are good. I don't know why I'm stumbling today. I guess because I'm hungry. You know, I'm watching my weight for the wedding, and I have not eaten today. All I had was a cup of coffee, and I know that's not good. Don't need to tell me. I know it's not. I need to eat. But I don't want to eat too much, because I want to get in that dress, and I want to be cute. How about that? So that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial today. Love, love, love. Please make sure you spread this video. Thank you guys so much. I love each and every one of you. Hope you have a great day. Enjoy your weekend. I will see you tomorrow for day 12 of 12 days of Christmas. And remember, like I always say, put God first. Everything else will fall in line. I love each and every one of you. Thank you for coming. Let me know what you think about the project. Show me some hearts. Show me some thumbs up. Tell me in the comment section, was it cute? Would you do it? Love you. Bye-bye.